Today we're going to be reviewing Hilton London Bankside. I've heard a lot about this one. I'm excited. Let's check it out. So the room we're going to be checking out now, this is a king suite, so it's much more bigger than a typical sort of room. So you've got straight away, you've got a nice little toilet in the corner there as you walk in. And then this is what I like, small details. Nice little seating area as you walk in, because why not? Followed by the nice TV, very big size TV, just to kind of chill out right away. And then as soon as you walk in, bed straight away, got a nice panoramic view of the whole area. Again, another TV, because why not? 2 TVs in it. And then what you've got is you've got all the essentials locked in there. So you've got, this hotel's a little different because usually they have like an iron board and everything else, but this time they've got that, they actually got steamer now. So they're trying to replace steamers for the irons, and then you've got everything else, you know, the traditional, the robes, all the other stuff there. But this part right here, you need to see this. So you've got the typical light as we saw in our previous video, from that was on the Montcalm, the mirror, and you've just got all the essentials of the towels and everything else. And it's obviously got a shower. Obviously, my main concern when you came in is, how is the water gonna not come out when you're showering? But they've created it in a smart way where it kind of just slopes down. So